Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable link previews on Telegram so you can instantly see what a link contains before opening it. Link previews are super useful because they give you a snapshot of a web page, video, or article right inside your chat. If yours aren't showing, don't worry, it only takes a few seconds to turn them back on. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. On Android, this is usually the three horizontal lines in the top corner. On iPhone, you might see your profile icon instead. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all your customization options, including privacy and chat controls. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section manages how your account handles data, permissions, and visibility. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Link Previews. It might be further down the list, so take a moment to look carefully. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. When the switch is enabled, Telegram will automatically generate previews for links shared in your chats. That's it. From now on, whenever you or someone else sends a link, you'll see a preview with a title, image, or short description, depending on the website. If you ever want to turn this off again, just follow the same steps and toggle it off. And that's how you enable link previews on Telegram. Quick, simple, and very useful for improving your chat experience.